This Wealthsimple tutorial video, I'm going to be showing you guys how to buy Ford Motor Company put options here in Canada, ticker symbol F here on Wealthsimple. So once you have Wealthsimple open up on your device, go to the bottom left here, so this bottom bar, and press on the magnifying glass or the Discover tab. So now once you're here, you can go to the top here and go to search. And it's probably easiest if you just type in Ford, F-O-R-D. Now don't press Ford at the top where it says Ford Industries. We want to go ahead and use ticker symbol F for the Ford Motor Company. So what you can do is press on that. And you can go to where it says buy, and then you can go to where it says options. Now another way you can do this as well is just to exit out of this, and then press on cancel. You can also press on options right here, press on where it says more, and just scroll down until you come across the Ford Motor Company right here, ticker symbol F, and press on that. Now to buy Ford Motor Company put options, what you have to do is at the top here where it says F will rise by, press on rise, and where it says put option right here, press on put. So now it should say F will fall by. If you want to change the expiry date, press on September 29th right here. Then you can change the expiry date to whatever date that you wish to have the options expire on. Now once it's done, you can either go in the money or out of the money. So for demonstration purposes, if you wanted to go in the money for $13 USD or whatever the case may be, press on the strike price right there. Now to finalize this purchase, go to the bottom and press on buy, and there you go. That is how you guys can buy Ford Motor Company put options here in Canada, ticker symbol F here on Wealthsimple. Thanks again for watching, and I hope this video helps.